Okay, guys, I got a product review today, and at the end, I will explain what happened.
Finally got my thing to the glass. Gotta be careful. Don't break the glass. See? Okay. See? Maybe I can do it like this, but anyway, you get the idea, right? Find that the camera's too close to this, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. This is a tempered glass for my phone. You want to make sure that your phone is completely clean. At least attempt to try. So, let's have a look. Sometimes you gotta blow on it, and it drives you crazy too. Because you're trying to clean it and trying to get the stupid screen protector on there, and then your screen wants to get all stupid with you. It's doing to me right now. Don't understand. So just give me a second. I have to go out soon, so let's just use my shirt. Okay? Can't see very well because of the bloody... I don't have a proper light for this, but I can't have crap on my screen. Let me tell you that now. Okay. Which this is why you're supposed to have your ceiling fan off. But anyway, you can tell, it's just perfect. Okay. So now we're gonna open the package. It comes with some good stuff. It comes with this thing to clean the glass, which I don't use. It comes in a protective film. And here's a tempered glass. Pretty nice, huh? So, which one do? Just see that there's like a tab here. You pull it, and on this side, this is the side you want to put down. You want to make sure you put it the right way. So, we're gonna take it, throw it, line it up with the bottom. Come on. Just drop it, and then just push, and you'll see. Hold on. Okay, so now just want to push. Just give me a second. I'll be honest with you, as much as I waited for the tempered glass, it doesn't seem to be fitting my phone properly. And it's on right. So I really do not know what's going on. I'm going to have a look at it, but anyway, I think they sent me the wrong one. Okay, they didn't send me the wrong one. I had it on kind of awkwardly. But anyway, they say this is the right one, so it is what it is. So let's see. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, so anyway, I also picked up a case for it. I'm sorry the video's kind of messed up today. I'm in a rush, but picked up a nice little case. Slim armor for $5. Screen protector cost me $5. So let's see what happens now. Okay, so as much as I hate it, apparently looking at the thing, that's how it's supposed to be. I wasn't expecting the line to be like this, but apparently that's because of the way the screen is. Not really a big fan of it. So, I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Because I thought that the part here, like you see here, was supposed to be black like the thing here. But I have to look on YouTube, but I'm pretty sure that this is supposed to, yeah, see, no matter if I pushed or not, I think they sent me the wrong one. They had to have. I have to get in contact with them. Even though it says for Samsung S7, I think they sent me the wrong one. Strange.
Okay. Basically what happened is the glass where is it? Okay, so basically what happened is that the glass that is cut for this phone is not exact. So they didn't send me the wrong one. That's just how it is. But this is a how to do it if you don't know how to do it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Peace.